You know that smell? When you grab a glass straight out of the dishwasher and it smells like a wet dog? That's not supposed to happen. And running it through another cycle won't fix it. I'm going to show you exactly why, and it has nothing to do with your glass. Your dishwasher has a filter at the bottom. Its job is to collect food bits from your dirty dishes so they don't go back onto your clean ones. Makes sense. That's how it's supposed to work. Here's the problem. Nobody tells you how to clean it. It's not in a visible spot. It's not obvious it needs maintenance. So most people never touch it, ever. Every time you run a cycle, that filter catches bits of old food. Week after week, month after month, it builds up. And then that food starts to break down in a warm, wet environment. Bacteria grows in it. There's actually a name for that specific bacteria behind that wet dog smell. It's called Moraxilla. It's the same bacteria that make towels smell bad after washing them. It needs 3 things to thrive: warmth, moisture, and organic material. Your neglected filter provides all 3 every single day. On the next cycle, the machine pumps that contaminated water through the spray arms and all over your dishes every single time. Your glass didn't get clean. It got coated in bacteria water. That's that smell, gross, but completely fixable. Here's what to do. Reach into the bottom of your dishwasher and find the filter. It's right in the center. It looks like a circular mesh cylinder. Twist it to the left and pull straight up. If your dishwasher is older than about 2010, it might have a self-cleaning filter that doesn't pull out. Make sure to check your manual. But most modern dishwashers have a removable one that needs cleaning. If it's been in there for months, it's going to look bad. Dark, slick, slimy, and spots. And that's okay. That's the thing that has been making your dishes smell. Rinse it under hot water, scrub it with an old toothbrush, get around the edges and through the mesh. It takes about 2 minutes, and make sure to do that once a month. Most dishwasher manuals actually specify monthly cleanings, but almost nobody does it. While you have the filter out, go ahead and look at the spray arms. The rotating arms with the small holes in them. Those holes are how water reaches your dishes. Food particles can partially clog them the same way they clog the filter. Pop the spray arms off. They usually just twist or unscrew. And run a toothpick through each hole to clear any blockages. If those holes are partially blocked, your dishes aren't getting cleaned evenly anyways. Then run an empty dishwasher on the hottest setting with a bowl of hot vinegar sitting in the top rack. Or drop in a dishwasher cleaning tablet. That sanitizes the spray arms and the interior walls. Now, this is the part almost nobody knows about, and the filter isn't even the worst part. It's the rubber seal around the inside edge of the door. You know that thick rubber strip that runs all the way around? It folds inward. There's a crease in it. Inside that fold, it's dark. It stays wet after every cycle. Nothing cleans it because the spray arms don't reach it. That's where mold grows. And every time you run the dishwasher, that mold and residue gets circulated along the interior walls along with your dishes. Grab a cloth, put a little bit of white vinegar on it, and wipe all the way around that fold. Go slowly. Peel it back and make sure to get inside the crease. You'll see dark residue come off on the cloth. That's what's been sitting there, sometimes for years. Do that every couple months and it will stay clean. Last thing, easiest one. After every cycle, just crack the door, even just an inch. Most people close the dishwasher completely the second the cycle ends. And that seems logical because it is a closed appliance. But a sealed dishwasher after a hot cycle is warm, humid, and enclosed. Exactly what bacteria need to multiply before anything dries out. Cracking the door just 1 inch lets the steam escape and drops the humidity fast enough where the bacteria can't get established. One habit costs nothing and stops most of this from building back up again. Here's what was actually happening. The dishwasher was dirty, The filter had decomposing food growing bacteria. The door seal had mold, and on every cycle, that water was getting pumped onto your dishes with the wash water. Not the glass's fault, not the detergent's fault. The machine itself was the problem. Clean your filter once a month, wipe the door seal every couple of months, crack the door after every cycle. Do these 3 things and your dishes will smell clean, because for the first time, the machine actually will be. Now, I made a video about why your pillows turn yellow, plus how to fix it, and that's what you should watch next.